Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you how to do repost on TikTok. So first thing, just open the TikTok application, and then now we have to find out what video that we want to repost on this TikTok, on our TikTok. Okay, I want to repost this since it looks great, and the things we have to do is go into the sections here. There is several features that we can use, and then we just need to click this arrow. Nice. And then after that, there is several features that we want that we can use. You can see here there is like a yellow color, bright yellow color, and there is a repost information there. So we just need to click repost, and now you already repost this video or this content on your TikTok. How to check it? Just go into this comment sections, and now your username is appear here, and there is information that you repost this video. So that's all for today's tutorials, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.